So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are covering unit 2 and unit 3 together, and trust me, every question here is super important if you want to score well in your midterm exams. And yes, if you haven't watched unit 1 yet, make sure to check it out by clicking the I button up there because it is really important for your full preparation. So stay tuned, don't skip anything, and let's start with unit 2 and 3. So first question is, the stimulated emission of radiation was proposed by Einstein, Planck, Bohr and Hinsberg. So your correct option is Einstein. Next question is, population inversion means n1 is greater than n2, n2 is greater than n1, n1 equals to n2 and none. So your correct option is n2 is greater than n1. Next question is, in laser light is coherent, incoherent, divergent, natural. So your correct option is coherent. Fourth question is, ND-IAG laser emits at wavelength 632.8 nm, 1064 nm, 532 nm and 1550. Your answer is 1064 nm. So next question is, which laser uses helium and neon gases? CO2 laser, semiconductor laser, helium neon laser and dye laser. So correct option is helium neon laser. Next question is, the working principle of laser is based on spontaneous emission, stimulated emission, absorption and reflection. So the correct option is stimulated emission. Next question is, which of the following is not a laser type? Ruby, ND-IAG, helium neon, sodium vapor. So the correct option is sodium vapor. So next question is, laser light has high divergence, monochromaticity, broad spectrum and random phase. So correct option is B, monochromaticity. Next question is, the first laser was developed by Einstein, Feynman, Planck, Maxwell. So correct option is Feynman. Next question is, the power of laser beam is measured in lumen, watt, joule, candela. So correct option is watt. Next question is, the process of amplification in laser is due to emission, absorption, reflection, interference. So correct option is emission. Next question is, the active medium in helium neon laser is helium only, neon only, helium and neon mixture, argon gas. So correct option is helium and neon mixture. So next question is, semiconductor laser uses PN junction, gas medium, dye solution, solid crystal. So your correct option is PN junction. Next question is, the efficiency of laser depends on pumping rate, wavelength, mirror curvature, medium pressure. So your correct option is pumping rate. So next question is, which law relates cumulative emission rate? Planck's law, Einstein coefficient, Snell's law, Huygens principle. So correct option is Einstein coefficients. Next question is, laser beam divergence is of order 10 degree, 1 degree, 0.01 degree, 100 degrees. So correct option is 0.01 degree. So next question is, laser cavity mirrors are transparent, opaque, only fully reflecting and one partially reflecting. Last option is absorbing. So correct option is only fully reflecting and one partially reflecting. Next question is, ruby laser uses which element as active ion? Chromium, aluminum, iron, nickel. So correct option is chromium. Next question is, which of the following is used in optical disc reading? ND-IAG laser, semiconductor laser, dye laser, gas laser. So correct option is semiconductor laser. Next question is, the property of laser light uses in surgery is coherence, monochromaticity, high intensity, low intensity. So correct option is high intensity. So next question is, fiber optic work on the principle of diffraction, reflection, total internal reflection and refraction. So correct option is total internal refraction. Next question is, core of optical fiber has higher refractive index, lower refractive index, equal refractive index and metallic coating. So your correct option is A, higher refractive index. Next question is, numerical aperture measure power loss, light gathering ability, dispersion and reflection. So your correct option is light gathering ability. Next question is, step index fiber has gradual core cladding, change in form, core refractive index, multiple cores, metallic cladding. So correct option is uniform core refractive index. Next question is, graded index fiber reduce attenuation, model dispersion, reflection loss and refraction. So correct option is model dispersion. Next question is, the main material used in optical fiber core is copper, glass or plastic, aluminum and silicon. So correct option is glass or plastic. So next question is, optical fiber losses are measured in dB per kilometer, watt, joule, lux. So correct option is dB per kilometer. Next question is, the speed of light in a fiber depends on core radius, refractive index, cladding thickness, fiber length. So your correct option is refractive index. Next question is, the V number it determines fiber strength, mode propagation, dispersion, absorption. So correct option is mode propagation. Next question is critical angle depends on frequency, refractive indices, power, polarization. So correct option is refractive indices. Next question is light enters fiber if angle is greater than critical angle, angle is less than acceptance angle, equal to 90 degree, normal incidence. So your correct option is angle is less than acceptance angle. So next question is dispersion in optical fiber causes increase in speed, signal broadening, less attenuation, no change. So correct option is signal broadening. Next question is attenuation means signal loss, signal gain, light amplification, reflection. So correct option is signal loss. Next question is cladding function is to guide light, reduce reflection, prevent signal leakage and none. So correct option is prevent signal leakage. Next question is single mode fiber core diameter is about. Options are 8 to 10 mm, 50 mm, 100 mm and 200 mm. Option is 8 to 10 mm. Next question is multi-mode fiber supports one mode, two modes, many modes, no mode. So correct option is many modes. Next question is optical fiber communication advantage is heavy weight, low bandwidth, immunity to interface and high loss. So correct option is immunity to interface. Next question is the refractive index difference between core and cladding is 0%, 1%, 10%, 50%. So correct option is 1%. So next question is which source is used in fiber optics? Laser diode, tungsten lamp, arc lamp, neon bulb. Correct option is laser diode. So next question is optical detector used are photodiode, LED, CRT, transistor. Correct option is photodiode. Next question is fiber optic sensor measures temperature, pressure, strain, all of these. So correct option is all of these. The typical wavelength used in optical communication is 850 nanometer, 1310 nanometer, 1550 nanometer and all of these. So correct option is all of these. So next question is acceptance angle depends on numerical aperture, power, core thickness, cladding index. Correct option is numerical aperture. Next question is the phenomenon responsible for light guiding is refraction, diffraction, total internal reflection and scattering. So correct option is total internal reflection. And the last question is optical fiber is mainly used for heating, communication, lighting, cooling. So correct option is option number B, communication. So that's it for today video. Your physics is now complete up to mid-sem. We will meet in the next video with another subject. So stay tuned and keep studying. Best of luck for your midterm exam.